Yo, what's going on, everybody? As you can probably tell, the mirrors are no longer white. I was hoping by the time I got done with the painting and all that stuff, the little DIY color matching, you know, there would have been a bigger lift out by now. That way we could put like maybe some, you know, Chevy reps, GMC reps on it, bigger tires, but unfortunately there's still not a bigger lift that I've seen. I think I got I want to say it's either a 2.5 or 2 inch leveling kit right now, and if I go with a bigger lift, I don't want to go up an inch. I want to go either to like a 4 or maybe a 5. So that's why we haven't did anything else to it, because we're still waiting on a lift. But nonetheless, we did get the mirrors painted back black, and I feel like that just goes really well together now. Looks a lot better than, you know, the white mirrors, I think. I do plan on getting some wrap to go on the B pillars here on the doors. I think I'm going to do a gloss black, that way it blends in with the window tint, because all the rest of the black on the truck is like it's not a matte black, but it's not like a super shiny black. So I want to leave that the way it is, because, you know, all the ports are essentially painted with the same kind of paint now. So I don't want to do that and then it, you know, the shiny black tint throws off, you know, the piece in between the pillars. But yeah, that's where we're at now, like I said. And as you can see, the GMC, it is back at the dealership again. I don't even think I posted the video yet. I'll probably post that one before this one comes out. But yeah, got the headers on the truck. Everything was, you know, great. Everything mounted up as it should. And from what they told me, cylinder 7 lifter collapsed, which is the same side they replaced the lifters in the first time this happened, less than 1,000 miles ago. So they said they were ordering parts yesterday, which would have been Monday. Today's Tuesday, and I haven't heard anything. They said they was going to let me know something today on what's going on, if that fixed the issue. I don't know. At this point, like I said, I mean, the truck is just, it's been back-to-back issues so far, which you know, anybody who has one of those trucks know that those AFM, the active fuel management, them lifters, they collapse. They're notorious for doing it. I plan on doing the Texas Speed, I think it's Texas Speed, DOD delete kit. And then it comes with like the plug-in tune. You can do it yourself. I think it's like $1,200. If the truck keeps giving this issue, I'm gonna just go ahead and do that, which I was trying to wait until the warranty expires. I bought like a 20,000 mile extended warranty, or 2 years, whichever comes first, on the truck when I purchased it, because I knew, you know, that was something that happened on the truck, and I don't drive my vehicle a lot. So I was like, okay, 20,000 miles. It'll probably take those 2 years before I'm out of that warranty, because I don't drive it a lot. So I was trying to hold off until the warranty expired, but at the rate it's going now, we might just go ahead and bite the bullet and, you know, DOD delete the truck and be done with it. That way we don't have to worry about those lifters collapsing or anything like that. But still waiting on something back on the GMC. They haven't called me today. Hopefully they do before the end of the day, because I am off today from work, because I work, you know, Saturday. I'm on the Saturday rotation this week. So I was hoping to, you know, be home, that way I could go pick it up, but unfortunately that's not how the dice are rolled, I guess. But yeah, like I said, truck, we got the window, or not, I was about to say the windows painted, the mirrors painted back black, and I think that looks a lot better. I think it goes really well with the truck now, especially with the fender flares. You know, like, I do eventually, if I keep the truck long enough, I do want to get the OEM Oxford White stock flares that go on the truck, that were like these over here, which I don't even know why I still got these things, because most of the tabs are broke. The white colored ones and the stock flare, I think that would look really well on the truck as well. I do want to get some chrome rims on this thing eventually, but who knows? I don't know. I think it looks really good like it is now. I think the truck looks really good. Looks really good right here in this. Oh yeah. That looks really good. But yeah, and I really want to get this piece right here, this H style looking piece. I want to get that painted white too. But like I said, we got to get the Raptor grill. I keep on saying I'm going to get it, and I haven't ordered it yet. I need to go ahead and order that thing. That way we can get it on before Thanksgiving. I think that'd be a real nice touch with the Raptor grill. And then getting those 3 orange lights in the front. I think that would give it a real nice touch on the front end. Because right now the truck, it looks pretty sweet. Considering what it is, you know, I don't see a lot of people posting these kind of trucks, which is, you know, what I lean towards more. I like to do something a little bit different than everybody else is doing. Like, yeah, I could buy, you know, another GMT 800, but those trucks are everywhere. Like these, you don't see them a lot, and when you do see them, they're mainly like, what is it, Terminex, like companies like that do a lot of driving back and forth. You'll see these kind of small mid-sized trucks like the Colorados, the Rangers, the Tacomas. I see a lot of those up in Raleigh where I work. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys see it. I think it looks really good now with the black. I think that looks a lot better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Did the white mirrors look better, or does the black? I think the black looks better to me. It did look good in the white at first, but after I got to, you know, step back and look at it, I'm like, you know what? I think we should paint these things back black. And, you know, taking these off, they're not too difficult. They definitely don't make it the easiest, but you can use a I think it's a T25 bit, and that's all you need to get the mirrors off. So they're very easy to come off. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop yapping. Like I said, there should be another video on the GMC coming out before this one, basically explaining what's going on with it and what it was doing. And I think I actually showed a video on what it was doing when I still had the truck. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. Like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming. It's just been slow, but it'll pick back up. But yeah, like I said, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we got a lot more stuff coming for this thing and the GMC once it's fixed. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.